You guys probably know this one. So this came out on a record in the 1980s on one of my albums. But I was driving around my neighborhood in Southern California, and I thought I'd see what was happening on Power 106 radio. And I heard this song on the radio. It's like, what's this? It was Lil' Kim and Notorious Big rapping over my song that I put out so many years ago. And I almost got into a car accident. I came about this close to a stop sign. But luckily, I didn't hit anything. But eventually I found out everything was cool. You know, she had actually cleared the song with my publishing company. I didn't even know about it. But this thing has become sort of a hip-hop anthem that's been used by a lot of different people. But we're going to take you way back to 1980 and play the original version for you. So this is called Rain Dance. All right, wow. That sounds big on the drums. The Fimba on the bass guitar, tearing it up, playing all those great solos. I'm Jeff Lorber. We're going to be back in about 15 minutes, so stick around. Thanks a lot. We got a special treat for you, too, when we come back, right away after we come back. So we have something, guest artist that I think you'll really enjoy.